down, the clock ticks loud. Each move I make, I'm living in this shroud. Every second lost, it feels like a lake. In this game of chess, sacrifices must be made. I know it's win or lose, no time to crawl. With every heartbeat, I feel it in my soul. It's now or never, I won't let it slide. Tension rising, I'm ready for the ride. Take your shot, I'm standing tall. Every moment counts, through it all. In the face of time, I will fight. Together we'll rise, burning bright. Each eyes, I'll calculate the risk. Each breath I take, I'm swinging with a fist. Like kings and pawns, we dance in this light. The shadows creeping closer, I'll ignite the night. The pressure builds, but I won't back down. My heart is racing, I can feel a crown. I'll seize the moment, I won't hesitate. In this game of fate, I'll dictate my state. Take your shot, I'm standing tall. Every moment counts, through it all. In the face of time, I will fight. Together we'll rise, burning bright. There's a fighter inside, a battle cry. With every heartbeat, we'll touch the sky. No more running, we'll break the chains. Together we'll shatter all these rays. Take your shot, I'm standing tall.